Today I feel that the Chief Minister should be able to analyze his situation, his financial situation, and should not feel shy to ask for a special Prime Minister's package so that the state comes out from this economic meltdown. State comes out from this fiscal mismanagement so that Goa goes back on the path of progress development. Instead of just saying Luizinho Falerio is wrong or somebody is wrong, to analyze his financial situation and with all humility go to the center and ask for a special one-time Prime Minister's package so the state of Goa comes out of it. Putting the Goa state and its people back on the roads, back on the path of progress, so that you can have organized legal mining, so you can have good industrial growth, so that you can have proper planned tourism, or so that you can have IT with this. Because today what is alarming, one side is our financial mismanagement, the state going in the death trap, but more dangerous and more alarming is the unemployment scenario. And unemployment of educated youth is the most alarming and is the most dangerous scenario the Goa state is facing.